Hello YouTube, welcome to our channel. This is Phil Mahon from Mahon Tech Office. If you're new here, well, this is what we do. We provide easy to follow tech tutorials, tips and tricks. So if you haven't already done so, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss any video we upload in the future. Having said that, let's dive right into today's topic. Today, we are going to walk you through the process of installing Ubuntu Server OS on any virtual machine, okay? But today we are going to stick to VMware Workstation virtual machine. This is a great way to experiment with Ubuntu and its features, of course, without affecting your main operating system. At this point, let me mention that this is just the first video of a series of videos, okay? We will subsequently learn to set up the Ubuntu server and put in place security measures. We will also learn, among other things, how to install softwares on the server. This will be a great educative series, so please stay tuned. All right, good. Now, if you don't already have VMware Workstation installed on your computer, you don't have to worry. Just open any browser of your choice and follow me closely. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need, okay? Now go into google.com and follow me closely. Don't miss any step. Now in google.com, just type VMware download. Select the download VMware Workstation player, not the download VMware Workstation Pro. You want the player, okay? So click on the player, scroll down, and you can download for either Windows or for Linux operating systems, depending on the operating system you are using. I use Windows, so I will download for Windows. Once my download is complete, I will click on Open Folder to view the file that I have downloaded. Now there is the file. I would like to move it to the desktop to make things easier for everyone. So I'll close that folder. Now don't be in a hurry to leave the browser yet. We need to download the Ubuntu image, okay? We need to download the Ubuntu image, and so you want to go back to Google and type Ubuntu Server, and then you can go into the official website. Now in the official website, there are two links. You can either download the server 22.04 or you can download the 23.04. The 23.04 is the latest, and so under normal circumstances, I will advise you download the 23.04. However, I will download the 22.04. I will not download the 23.04. Download 22.04 because I want the opportunity to be able to teach you how to upgrade to a newer version. Right, so click Start Download to start your download. I have already downloaded this file, so I'll just cancel it and navigate to where the file is stored on my computer. Now you can close everything. I'll move the file to desktop. Close that folder. Right, now these are the two files we are going to be working with. Without wasting any time, go ahead and install the virtual machine. Okay, that is the VMware Workstation player. I have already installed it on my computer. I already have the Pro version on my computer, so I won't take you through the installation process. It's simple. It's just like installing any other software on your computer. So do the installation. Once you are done installing, open the VMware Workstation and let's continue. Right, once open, you want to click on Create New Virtual Machine. In the wizard, select Typical and click Next. On the next screen, choose I will install the operating system later at the bottom and click next again. Now you will need to select the guest operating system. So choose Linux, and from the versions list, select Ubuntu 64-bit and then click next. Give your virtual machine a name and choose a location where you want to save it on your hard drive. So do that. Once you are done, click next. Now the next step, you have to specify the disk capacity. Recommended disk space should be 22 gigabytes, but I would use 50 gigabytes, and then leave everything as it is and click next. On this summary page, I'll click customize hardware, and inside there on the left hand side, you can leave the processor, the memory as it is, and then go down to the third one. In the third one, this is where you select the drive, where the file is. Okay, so select the last option and then click on browse. Now locate where the Ubuntu image file has been stored. Select that image file and click open. Now you have put the image file in the virtual machine. Under the networks, click the bridge, okay, so that you use the same network you are using in your physical computer. So click the bridge. The next one, which is US adapter, you don't need it, so just click remove and repeat the same thing for the printer and the other. Now that you are done, you can click close. But before clicking close, verify and make sure everything is in order. Then you can go ahead and click close. Once you click close, you are back to the verification page where you verify your hardware and make sure everything is correct. If everything is correct, click finish, and your virtual machine will be created for you. But the operating system is not yet installed, and so you just have to run the virtual machine to be able to install the operating system. So click on power on the virtual machine. Now use the up and down arrow keys. Okay, let me make it full screen now. Use the up and down arrow keys to select, try, or install Ubuntu Server. Press enter. Sorry, you can't click in there. So press enter and wait for it to do its own thing. On this languages screen, select your preferred language and press enter. Select continue without updating and press enter. Select done and press enter. Select done again and press enter. Select done and press enter. Don't change anything. Okay, just keep selecting done and pressing enter. Now on this screen, use the tab. Press on the tab on the left side of your keyboard to move the cursor down to done and press enter. Verify that everything is as it is. Once you are sure everything is okay, press enter on the done. Move the cursor down to continue and press enter. Now this is where on this screen you fill information about your virtual machine. So enter every piece of information in there. You have to enter your name and then fill the rest of the information. Once you are done with everything, select done and press enter. We want to install OpenSSH so that we can access this computer remotely. So press space to select it and then press tab until you hit done and press enter. On this next screen, press tab until you hit done and press enter. Now your installation is beginning. you can't do anything to speed this process up. So just relax patiently and wait for it to do its own thing. At the end of everything, you'd be able to select reboot now at the extreme end of your screen. So wait until you see that. Okay, now it is done. So use your tab key to move the cursor to reboot now and press enter. The system will begin to reboot, but it won't be able to reboot because the image file is still loaded. So you have to remove it. Press enter to remove it, and then the system will go on to hit the reboot. Okay, now your system has rebooted successfully. Enter your username. The username is selected at the beginning when you were installing the server. Just enter it and hit enter. And then you enter your password. When you're entering the password, you won't see anything, so don't panic, it's fine. Just enter the password and press enter. And that is it. You have successfully installed Ubuntu Server OS on a VMware Workstation virtual machine. You can now explore and experiment with Ubuntu Server without affecting your main operating system. You should know, however, that Ubuntu Server does not give you a graphical interface that you can use your mouse to click around. Rather, it presents you with this command prompt looking screen. Okay, you need all you need to know is the command lines. You need to know the command lines in order to be able to use this system. But don't worry if you don't know them. I will guide you through from time to time using through the subsequent videos that will come up. Okay, so don't worry at all. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. But before I sign off, if you want to shut down the machine, all you need to do is to type shut down now and press enter, and that is it. Your computer will shut down. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button so you don't miss our next tech tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Till then, it's a bye-bye.